What's up everyone? Today we're working on the Tacoma. We're gonna make it a bit louder, so I have two boxes behind me. The larger box is what's going in today's video. Make sure you stay tuned for the install of the other box. All right, time for the unveil. Here we go. Ooh. Dang. All right guys, so this is my AFE catback exhaust system. This is one of the very few that I found that had a black tip. 2 hours later.
That looks sick.
Ooh, what do you guys think? I got black, obviously, you know, black. Hey, you know, it kind of looks like the Plasti Dip.
Yeah, it's like a nice
Has that nice texture. This thing's huge compared to the 07 one. Oh my gosh. Where to start? Well, we got to get the other one off first. So, I don't know yet. These are the instructions. I don't think we really need them.
It's a big muffler.
Look at the size difference. You want to see the size difference? Come here, look at it. Come here, look at it. No, now you got to get out of the way. For the viewers, they got to see.
Holy cow.
Look at that.
And the location of this should be over here.
It should be right there, yeah.
Sweet, that's gonna look good.
Dog. So to take this system off, there's only these two bolts up front. The rest are all hangers that should hopefully be easy to get out. So I'm gonna bust out the breaker bar here.
Is the other bolt moving at all?
I don't think so. Can you see?
Alright, you're good.
Yeah. All right, so just right in here.
Yep.
Yes. Oop. And just let that sit in some WD-40. It seems to work in the past on our other projects to kind of just get it, pinch it towards us.
Yeah.
Holy crap.
It's almost off.
Yeah. Well, we got it through.
Yeah, that's good for now because we got to pull this exhaust out towards the back.
The front. No, we have to go that way.
Yeah, towards the
so
front of the truck.
Let's leave that. This one looks like it's got a pretty big hanger.
Yeah, you might have to pull it off.
Compared to the other two. Oh, look at that. So that one's popped out.
Alright.
This is the last, oh, there we go. This is the last one. And we are ready to pull this towards the engine. So you should probably be back there.
Yeah.
I'll be back here.
Well, you got to get yours lower so you can actually get it to go under that pipe.
Yeah.
I can push this once you can push it, and I can easily pull these side off.
Right, I got this.
Mine's almost off.
We've got one to go.
Really? The hanger is like, it'll fall off soon.
Forward, Bri. All right, they're all off.
All right, let's straight back assembly.
Yeah, put that down, Brian. Come around to me, okay? So we gotta lift this off of me. I don't know, cause I'm in the way.
I got this.
Hold on.
If you want to get out.
No, hold on. It's gotta go towards my feet.
Yeah. Now lift the tip and help.
It's back there?
Rotate it if you need it.
Yep. Keep going. Alright, stop. Start to rotate and I'll tell you.
No, I can't move it anymore.
What do you mean? So go back. Okay, hold on.
Towards the wheel.
Yep. You good? Okay. Lift and slide. Hold on. We gotta rotate. Come back towards me. Lift up and come towards me. That really wasn't that bad. Well, this is like a little smaller, I guess, the muffler.
It's an oval rather than round. Pretty much the same size.
Yeah?
Well,
wow, actually not really.
Wow, much more compact.
Yeah.
We got this pipe, which is a whole lot bigger.
Dang.
I guess goes like that.
Yeah.
And then that other piece you had that came with the kit, that's...
The other piece is for the long bed. So if you have the 6-foot bed, this actually can accommodate for that.
Or we should start it up.
Oh, let's start it up. Let me give you the camera.
Yep.
All right, you ready?
Oh yeah.
First and probably last time. Should I leave it like that?
That's awesome.
Okay, well that would be the first and last time it sounds like that.
That was awesome.
Hopefully it sounds just as good with this on it.
So why don't we put the muffler on first, put these hangers in, and then as we put the front hanger in, we can use the clamp and get that in.
Okay.
And then the tailpipe should be pretty easy.
All right.
Look at that.
Hello.
So full straight through, just fiberglass packed muffler.
All right. You stay in the front there and line that hanger up, and I'll do these two. Up. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna have to have you push. Push as much as you can right now. Okay, do it again. All right, hold on, stop. Let me line them up again. Today is arm day. Officially.
Oh, there's only 2 ways this can go.
This clamp goes here. The muffler can go towards you, right, in the hangers. That's just where it is right now. Are you gonna put in that other bolt?
Okay, the hanger.
Oh yeah.
Lift the muffler up a little.
Yep.
All right, now push it.
Towards you. You had it. It's on. Look, we're free.
Yeah.
But
Good.
now.
Good.
Oh, you guys saw that. It's on film. My ear hurts.
Good.
You know, as soon as I said that, I said, why don't I put a hand under there just in case?
Yeah.
Right as it hit me in the face. Now that everything is bolted up, I think my face is okay. You know, this is the money maker, so.
You're gonna really leave that in?
What?
You're really gonna leave that in?
Why not? Well, we're on camera all the time.
It is.
That is true. I mean, that is true.
And yeah, put it towards the edge.
I am. I just gotta tighten it up first. It's taking forever to even tighten.
You need a new bat pipe right there because it goes from each bank of the engine.
Yeah.
It goes into one small pipe for like 8 inches and then back to a big one.
Let's replace this one here.
Yeah, you need to replace that
I
with
think
something.
I think they sell that.
So that's really the bottleneck in the system.
We'll start in the back. So you're gonna have to hand it to me. So up and over, por favor. Higher on your end. Keep going higher. There we go. Push. That's probably about as far as you could go. Now, did we push the muffler as far forward as we could? So push everything towards me if you can. All right, so we are.
So if you look at it,
Where?
so this needs to come up a little bit higher.
Yeah.
This hanger and the pipe is actually against the spare tire right now.
Okay.
So this whole thing needs to be over here about at 1 inch. So we got that hanger in, but we need to go a little bit more closer to the side of the car.
Where does it need to be? Right where you're holding it?
You gotta rotate it in the muffler, like try to spin it in there.
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll grab one hand down there
Yeah.
and the other on the top, and just try to twist the whole
Oh,
pipe.
twist this thing.
Yeah. Yeah.
Is that good?
Yeah, I think that's about right.
Okay.
I mean, this side it's a little squishing the other way, but
Yeah.
yeah, I guess.
I'm gonna tighten this up, not all the way though.
Yeah, I think this fitment probably will work.
Yeah?
The tip will be right about here.
Or I could just leave it without the tip. So we have everything tightened up now. It's time to put the tip on. And we actually just realized something doing a test fit.
Like, it's almost like this and this are the same size. Like, it's weird how they made this piece bigger than over here. They made this come out larger, but now this tip, I mean, it's like the same size.
Do we need to cut more slots in? Well, it has a lot of slots in it. So at least if we get it on,
Yeah, but
we don't have to take it off, but wow.
that's a poor design.
See that? Yeah. I don't think you're doing anything, are you?
We only need like just a few millimeters of bent.
Yeah.
So I
Yeah.
just bent these out a little bit, and that might, because I feel like it was this inside edge that was just catching, as if it's the thickness of the metal, it was like that much too.
Well, let's try it.
Yeah. All right.
You got it?
Yep, but like, look how tight that, like, it's,
Yeah.
I don't know if I can get any closer.
Well, we'll just have to keep twisting it, I guess, huh? Well, if we can get it at least like half the width of the clamp,
Yeah, if we can, yeah.
then we'll clamp it on.
Should we try to bend it a little bit more?
I mean, it might make it fit better,
Yeah, because,
but can you get it off?
yeah.
Okay.
I mean, if we can just bend this a little bit farther.
Dude, that looks so good.
I mean, the clamp covers it, so it'll be good.
Yeah.
I mean, I think.
All right, let's button everything up and we'll take a look at it once we're all done. All right, so we managed to get that clamp covering all the holes. I think that should work for now. That is a really cool pipe. Let's look at it from back here. I mean, it looks so cool. I got rid of the chrome and now I have part of my matching theme there with the black. So now it's time for the first startup. Cold startup, literally, because it's like 40 degrees outside.
Yeah.
And the first time,
Got a nice little beef to it.
Sounds good. It's not super loud yet. Maybe it'll
It'll have to break in
break
being
in.
fiberglass.
All right, so that's a cold start. We will have more clips of the exhaust coming just so we can let it break in and put some miles on it before we do any hard accelerations or anything like that. So that'll be a good before and after of the stock exhaust versus the AFE, so definitely check out that video. The overall installation was pretty easy. It took us like 45 minutes, minus some modification to the tailpipe there. So that's kind of a poor design on their end. But everything, there were 2 bolts in front of the muffler, 3 clamps, and all the hangers, of course. So I'm pretty sure this installation will be the same on other brands as well. Main reason I went with this one, very few come with a black tip, which is the main reason I went with this brand, but of course shop around, see which exhaust fits best for your build. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you check out the before and after sound comparison along with the other performance mod we're doing today. Those videos will be in the description below. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys next video.